I'm at Theodore Roosevelt National Park overlooking the painted canyons. Huh. Just a bird. Yes, yep. Can't wait for it to go right over the canyons over there.
I was here a couple months ago and we watched it go down.
Oh yeah, same thing, just like a few years ago actually, but yeah, beautiful.
It's amazing how fast it gets cold too.
Oh, yes, for sure. Howdy.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
On the right side of the grass, it's a good day.
Yes, that's for sure.
You just sitting quietly.
I'm not scared. Oh, no, so no, too many people.
All right. This whole video might be looking like the same pictures because the whole like place here, this is actually just a visitor center. It's not that big. But I will try my best to get unique photos every time. Look at that rabbit there. Oh my. Hi there, buddy. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Don't like that. Sounds like someone's barking or biting or something like that. Yep. Beautiful. So back when I came here in 2021, there actually used to be signs, I don't know if it was here or just out here, where it says, do not walk on these trails because it could slide under, it was loose. My cousin and I did it anyways. Looks like there's no more of those signs here. I don't want to go that way. Tall grass, not really my thing. There's a hole. Yep. Sure thing. Come on. Actually, here we go. Just point it up. Here we go. Oh my gosh, just look at this beautiful view. If only someone was able to stand right there. Just that golden sky right there. If I could get a shot of that bird, that'd be cool. But he's probably gonna take off. Can't even see him. Yeah, I saw this view earlier today. Someone's just like looking over. Perfect. Dude, look how beautiful this is. Oh, the glow. Okay. I'm good with this lens for a bit. Well, at least until sun goes down there. Let's switch to the 100-400. Oh my gosh. And that's zoomed all the way in. Let's get some foreground here. Might have to sit down for that. Oh my gosh. I wish it could be like this every day, all the time. But let's head back over there that way, see what we could find with the 100-400. Let's try to use some of this wood here. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but Not what I had in mind. So the more I take trips like this, the more I realize that I hate traveling alone, and I don't really want to like boondock it and sleep in my car and whatnot. I'd like to do a hotel, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I like the Sprinter van. At least it has more room, a little more, feels more spacious and safe. At least safe feeling. However, my end destination is Utah. Yep, where all the national parks are. And if it's gonna be like this the entire time, I'm gonna love it. Not the weather. This is like what, 70, high 70s, mid 70s. It's gonna be like 110 out there, but sunsets like this, yes please. More on the darker side. There it is. Goodness. People out there, maybe I get a cool shot of them. That red glow on them. Just like last year, this was like the main shooting right there. That point, and then sunset coming down there. I mean, believe it or not, 2021 is when me and my cousin came down here. It was probably same time, but last week. It was in July. Howdy.
Hi.
No, okay, same shot. Same shot here. Zoom in. Lock it. Frame it.